and this is about myself. I am Priyanka Chatterjee, UGC NET qualified with 99.46 percentile. I am an academy educator from January 2020. I have 5 years industry experience. I have done my MCA and BSc honors in computer science, right. So, we are learning computer science in a practical way. What is the difference between truncate, delete and drop? Here is the difference between truncate, delete and drop. Truncate is a SQL query, remove all row from the table. Okay, it will remove all row, but without logging the individual row deletion, and truncate is the faster than the delete query. Now, what is the difference? When you are doing the delete operation, means if I am taking a table, there is the ID, this is the ID and there is something. So, if there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 row was there, 5 data was there, and after that you apply this delete. Okay, after that you apply this delete, then this data will be deleted and this table will be empty. Okay, this data will be deleted, all the data will be deleted, and then the table will be empty. For both, for delete and truncate, for both the data will be deleted. Okay, but the problem is that when you have insert, when you again apply the insert table name, if insert any data, and if there is the indexing, if you are applying the auto increment for the ID, if the auto increment is selected previously in the structure, then here the data will be inserted from 6. It will be start the ID from 6. Okay, but if you apply the truncate, means using truncate, the data will be deleted, but it will insert data again when you apply the insert, it will insert from the 1. Got it? Means last value, last logging, last value of your table was 5. That's why when you are using the delete query, then it is saving the memories, it is saving the last log. What is your last log? It is saving it, and from this last log it is trying to start. That's why it is start from 6, but for the truncate it is start from 1 again. Got it? Got the difference? Is it clear? That's why the truncate SQL remove the row of the table without logging the individual row deletion, and truncate is faster than the delete, because delete operation is maintaining the logging record. Okay, any doubt? Truncate and delete, is it clear too? Is it clear that truncate and delete? Please reply, everyone, please reply, otherwise I cannot understand. Because this is very important, this concept is very important to clear, that what is the difference between truncate, delete and drop. It is very important concept. Okay. Now, here see that truncate is the DDL command. Truncate is data definition command, and truncate is executed using table lock, and whole table is locked to removed all record. Now, before, when you are applying this truncate, then using that the table is locked. Before applying the truncate, the table is using the lock, and whole table locked and remove all the record, and we cannot use where clause with truncate. That is a difference. That is a difference with the delete. When you are using the delete, we can write like that: delete from student where roll number greater than 5. Okay, In that way you can write, because it will delete only the data where the roll number greater than 5. But for the truncate you cannot write the where condition. Where condition is not allowed for the truncate. Okay, when truncate means total data, it will not check any where condition. Truncate means it will delete all the data, all the record. Okay, and with the all indexing and everything will be deleted. Now truncate removes all row from the table and minimum login in the transaction log, so faster performance, because it is not bothered about the logging. Logging means what? That is what is your last value, what is your last entry, that is the logging value. And what is your if you want to try to roll back and commit, then the truncate is not bothered about that. Truncate table removes the data by deallocating the data pages used by the store in the table data and record only the page deallocation of the transaction log. Okay, means all the transaction log will be empty. When the truncate will be applied, then actually it will be the you can think like a fresh copy, means your total database, when you are creating the database, that is like a restore. You can think like a restore. We are doing the system restore, right? You are doing the system restore. So truncate is like a system restore, means truncate will get to that back to that status when you have created the table. Okay, and identify the column to reset to its seed value and table contain identity column, it is same. And to use the truncate table you need at least alter permission. Here you can see that to apply the truncate, you cannot apply truncate if you have not the alter permission. Okay, because why? Because truncate is a data DDL, data definition language. Truncate is a DDL command. So that if you have not, if you are the user and if you have not the alter permission, then you cannot apply the truncate, because it is operating on the structure. Although it is deleting the data, but it is operating on the structure. That's why alter permission is required for the truncate, but for the delete alter permission is not required. Okay, and next is truncate cannot be used with indexed views. See here, where you are doing the indexed view, that is in the indexed views you cannot use the truncate, and truncate is faster than delete. Okay, because truncate is not bothered about anyone, that's why truncate is faster than delete. Now come to the point of delete. What are the delete? So SQL, now everyone tell me, do you know before that there are, before this class truncate, for the truncate and delete, that main concept was clear to everyone? These are the main concept. Have you learned before? Have you learned before in detail this truncate and delete? I am just asking, all the concept was clear to you? Before you have learned this? Before this class you have learned this? Okay, good, very good. So Now come to the point of delete. So delete query, partial knowledge, okay. So delete query, SQL delete query deletes all the records from the database. It is also deleting all the record, and to execute delete query, permission requires to target the table. Means you need the permission specifically on the table. You did not need the permission for the database. Throughout the database, no permission is required. And if you need to use the where clause, then in the delete, select permission is required. Okay. So for here the select permission is required, and for specific table, if you want to delete some specific table, for that table only, if you have the permission, you can delete. Okay. Here you can remember here that alter permission is not required, because delete is a data manipulation language, DML. The truncate was DDL, but it is DML. It is inside the data. It is not bothered about the structure. That's why the alter permission is not required here. And here you can see we are writing in both ways, that is delete from customer, means all row will be deleted. And if you apply the delete from customer where order ID greater than 1000, means it will delete only the order ID where the ID is greater than 1000. But for truncate, this type of condition is not allowed. For truncate, where is not allowed. Okay. And here see that delete is a DML command, and delete is executed using a row lock. Here there was the truncate was the table lock. See, in the truncate it is doing the table lock. Total table is locked. But here you can see for the delete a row lock. We are locking the row only. We are not locking the table. Okay. And each row in the table is locked for deletion. Okay. So when you are one by one row, delete is performing one by one. Means first row is deleted, then second, then third, then fourth. In that way it is acquiring a lock of a row, and then it is deleted, then again acquiring next row, then again it is deleted. But for the truncate, it is acquiring total table. It is acquiring the lock of total table, and at a time total data is deleted. Okay. And we can use where clause in the delete for the filter, you already discussed, and the delete command is used to remove rows from a table based on the where condition. It maintains the log, so it is slower than truncate. That is a main part, that if in the question it is asking you that which one is slow or which one is fast, truncate or delete. So which one is fast? The truncate is fast, delete is slow. And next question, if anyone asks that why it is slow, then why it is slow? Because truncate is not bothered about the log, but delete is maintain the log. That's why delete is slow operation. Okay, because delete is maintaining the log. And the delete statement remove row one at a time and record an entry in the transaction. So one by one, what I told, that in the data, maybe in the table there are 10 data, 1 2 3 4. So one data lock, then it is deleted, then it will come to next, it is deleted, then it will come to next, it is deleted. At a time all the data is not deleted, one by one it is deleted. So if you can there can be a scenario like that 3 row is deleted, but for some error or for some any problem, the other row are not deleted. It can be arise in the delete, but it cannot be arise in the truncate. Okay. Now identify the column keep delete retains and the identity. The identity means what? That after delete, coming slow, voice is coming slow. Is it slow? I am talking too much loud. After delete, coming slow, voice is slow, voice is coming slow. Is it slow voice? I am speaking so much loud. Subhangi, I think you have to please try to increase your volume. Try to increase your volume, Subhangi. Okay. Now, to use the delete, you need delete permission of the table, right? You need only the delete permission of the table, and delete uses more transaction space than the truncate statement. Because why? Transaction space is required more, because why? Because acquiring lock, releasing lock, maintaining the log, that's why the transaction space is required more. And the delete can be used with indexed views. Indexed views, delete we can use with the indexed views, but truncate we cannot use with the indexed views. Okay, so that is the difference of delete and truncate. Okay, I think after this class, everything, any question of delete and truncate, what is the difference, any question from any interview or any competitive exam, you can able to reply. You are able to reply after this class, truncate and delete, what is the exact difference, you will be able to reply, I think. Okay, there will be no confusion, I think, right? Now come to the point of drop. What is the drop? Drop table query removes one or more table definition. See, here drop one or more table definition and all the data, index, trigger, constraints and permissions specification of those table. So, drop means everything will be deleted, that is definition, index, trigger, constraint, whatever related thing is according to the table, everything will be deleted. And drop command requires to alter permission. Here see, for the drop also the alter permission is required, because this is the DDL command, because this is the data definition command, that's why alter permission is required. On the schema to which the table belongs to, means total database schema, you have to, the user should have the alter permission. Okay, and control permission on the table of the membership, that is the control permission of the admin. And the SQL drop statement is indexed like that, that is drop table customer, means we are dropping the total table will be dropped, right? The drop command removes a table from the database, total table will be removed, all the table row, index, privilege will be deleted and removed, index will be also removed, and no DML trigger will be fired, means for the drop, when you are applying the drop table, then it will not fire any data manipulation, means maybe it will not apply to the row, it will not check the row, it will not check anything, it will directly fire the drop from the data definition, from the structure, right? And the operation cannot be rolled back. The drop operation cannot be rolled back because it is not maintaining any log. When the rollback is possible when we are using any log, when there is any point, then we can do the rollback, but there is no option of rollback because we are removing total database, total table, right? and drop and truncate are DDL command, whereas delete is the DML command. And delete operation can be roll back. See, delete operation can be roll back because why? Because delete is maintaining the log. If you maintaining the log, then only you can roll back. But the drop and truncate operation cannot be roll back because they are not maintaining the log. Got it? Everything is clear? Everything is clear? Any question you can solve? Please give me a like, please give me thumbs up that now your drop, truncate and delete, everything is clear from depth. That's why I am telling, I will give you the concept in depth. Maybe you will learn only one concept in one day, but it will be in depth and you are able to solve any type of question. You will be able to solve any type of question, any interview you can face. Bye bye everyone. Good night. Please share with everyone. Please subscribe करो, share करो, like करो, review करो. ठीक है? Like, share, subscribe and give me some feedback. Okay? Thank you.